Here with Old Grade Printing. My name's Devin.
Throw it right in the cream. Shotty this shit so I feel like the dream. Ooh, running the bank. Ooh, running the bank. Ooh, running the bank. Ooh, running the bank. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah.
Yo, what's up? It's Devin. Today we're going to be showing you how to print custom t-shirts in under 10 minutes. First step, print the transparency. Next step is to burn the screen. Now that the image is burnt, let's go wash it out. Now that the image is washed out, next step is to dry it. Now that the screen's all dry, next step is to tape it up and start printing. Next step, tape it up and let's start printing. Now let's print the shirts. Alright, now we're going to start printing. Quick tip, use Rise adhesive. Looks good.
Throw it right in the cream. Shotty this shit so I feel like the dream. Ooh, running the bank. Ooh, running the bank. Ooh, running the bank. Ooh, running the bank. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Fuck up this sack every day on the regular. Creeping the sky out the window, the nebula. I'm getting plays on the cellular. These nigga bitches run stories like editors. Hop in the drop and go nuts.
Yes, sir. It's t-shirt booming. Tap in if you need merch printed.
Throw it right in the cream. Shotty this shit so I feel like the dream. Ooh, running the bank. Ooh, running the bank. Ooh, running the bank. Ooh, running the bank. Yeah, fuck. Whoa. Yeah, 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 yeah. Fuck up this sack every day on the regular. Creeping the sky out the window, the nebula. I'm getting plays on the cellular. These nigga bitches run stories like editors. Hop in the drop and go nuts.
Yes, sir. It's t-shirt booming. Tap in if you need merch printed. We got 15 shirts for $150. That includes the t-shirt and